Introducing the Epson EcoTank ET-2800, a wireless color all-in-one printer designed for the modern home. It's more affordable than you expect. Make sure to check the price in the description below. Say goodbye to the hassle of small, costly ink cartridges. This innovative printer uses refillable ink tanks that can save you up to 90% on ink replacement costs. With each ink bottle set, you can print the equivalent of around 80 individual cartridges. It's perfect for those who print frequently but want to avoid the high costs of traditional printers. The EcoTank ET-2800 comes with up to 2 years' worth of ink right in the box, so you won't have to worry about running out anytime soon. The high-capacity ink tanks are easy to refill with Epson's exclusive EcoFit bottles, ensuring a simple, mess-free process. You'll also be helping the environment by reducing cartridge waste that often ends up in landfills. This printer uses unique micro-piezo heat-free technology that produces sharp text and impressive color photos, making it ideal for both home and office use. In addition, the built-in scanner and copier offer high-resolution flatbed scanning and a color display for easy navigation. Whether you need to print documents or photos, copy important files, or scan them for digital storage, the EcoTank ET-2800 handles it all with ease. It's a printer that does more, saves you more, and is great for the planet. Don't miss out on this affordable solution to your printing needs.